Hello students, let's continue English workshop of 1.3 Little Girls Wiser Than Old People. The first question, read aloud with proper intonation. I am going to read, listen carefully. Don't go. I am afraid. Never mind. Look out. Shame on you. Then there is the second activity. Second question, spot the names of body parts from the story. Add 3 other names on your own. Here are the name of the body parts from the story. Head, ankles, foot, feet, eyes, nose, neck. Other names, wrists, ears, eyes, cheek, hand, legs, stomach. Question number 3. List the characters in the story and write their approximate ages. Characters, Malasha, her age 5 to 6. Age of Akulka 7 to 8. Akulka's mother 30 to 35. Malasha's mother 30 to 35. Akulka's granny 60 years. Men from the story peasants. Also they are 40 to 45, 30 to 35. Okay, there is the next question, question number 4. Write the stages in which the fight began and got worse. You may show as many stages as you like. Then write how and when people stopped fighting. At first we are going to see the fight. The first one is example given here. Akulka's mother hit Malasha. Malasha's mother ran out of her house and scolded Akulka's mother. Second point, 2 women began to quarrel. Number 3, the men also joined them and started quarreling. Number 4, one word led to another and quarrel became worse. Then next one, how the fight came to an end. The first one, Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle and began to scratch the ground with the pebble to let the water off into the street. Second point, Malasha carried up and began to help her to widen the ring. Number 3, both the girls forgot their quarrel and were enjoying their play. Then next one, looking at the girls who had forgotten their quarrels long ago, the crowd fell ashamed and scattered away and the quarrel ended. Then we see the next question. Question number 5. Now choose any one of the reasons you have listed in the activity on page number 10. Write down and enact a quarrel based on that reason and also show how it was resolved. This question is related to the warming up question where we saw last video travel questions and serious questions. There we have to make enact and quarrel based on that, like on that using bad words, hit me hard, like on this. You take one and make a enact that quarrel. Question number now 6. Change the words in the colored boxes to make other meaningful sentences. The sentence is, I will take off my shoes and you do the same. We have to change here, take off my shoes. Shoes, the word we change and use their other words. For example, see, I will take off my shirt and you do the same. Second example, I will take off my pen and you do the same. Number 3, I will take off my notebook and you do the same. Okay. And then there is the second sentence. Second sentence is, this is a time for rejoicing. And we changing here pink box rejoicing. This is a time for dancing. This is a time for singing. This is a time for enjoying. This is a time for reading. This is a time for writing. This is a time for working. Like with this, you make sentence. Now we see question number 7. Read, remember and write. I am going to read the words. Here is the verb and past tense of that verbs. The first one, dress, dressed, walk, walked, grasp, grasped, laugh, laughed, start, started, jump, jumped, pick, picked, look, looked, want, wanted, pass, passed, gather, gathered, scatter, scattered. Like one this, there are also another words. It's in B column. They are the irregular verbs. Their past tense are not using suffix of ed. They are the different one. Which are they? Now see. Run, ran. Begin, began. Sing, sang. Meet, made. Take, took. Say, said. Reply, replied. Try, tried. Come, came. See, saw. Get, got. Bring, brought. Fight, fought. Give, gave. The last one is eat, ate. These are the irregular verbs. Then there is an activity based on this past tense. Use any two of these pairs in a pair of sentence. We have to make here pair of sentence using the main verb and past tense of that verb. Here is an example. Example of run and ran. See, my dog runs very fast. This we used here runs. Second sentence, yesterday it ran after a cat. Like on this we are going to make using the verbs. See, I take the example of took and take. Take and took. Using the take, please take a seat. Please take a seat. Using the took, that day Surya Tej took my seat. That day Surya Tej took my seat. Another example, I take here words of see and saw. See, S-E-E-C and S-A-W, saw. See you soon. See you soon. And the yesterday saw you. Yesterday saw you were late. Okay, like when this you make the sentences using the main verb and past tense of that verb. Now we see language study based on this story. Here is types of nouns. There are 5 types of nouns, but here we are going to study only 2 types of nouns. The first one is common noun and second is proper noun. See, noun is a word that is used to name a person. Noun is a word that is used to name a person, an animal, a place, a thing, an idea, etc. The names given to particular person, animals, places, etc. are known as proper nouns and the rest are the common nouns. So, 2 types of nouns. The first one, common nouns. Samanya naam and proper means Vishesh naam. Examples of common nouns: girl, boy, city, mountain, table, river, book, building, ruler, table, etc. Now we see proper noun. Proper nouns, you know that the names given to a particular person, animals and places. That's called proper nouns. Like one, your name, Akulka, Malasha, Sangeeta, Anand, London, Mumbai, Sahyadri, Narmada, etc. So, now see some activities based on these types of nouns. Write at least 5 common nouns and 5 proper nouns each. Note that proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. In this example also we see that proper nouns always begins with a capital letter. Example of common nouns: fruit, tree, river, village, man. Okay. Now example of proper nouns like Rajesh, Geeta, Sangli, Mumbai, like this. Okay. When you choose a name for your pet dog or cat, you are giving a proper noun to a common noun. Our pet animal, dog and cat, dog is animal, it's common, but when it's pet for a pet, we call like a Simba, Jackie, like one this, Bond, Dolly, like the cat. Other cats we call cat, but when it's pet for us, we call Manu, like one this, Oreo. Okay. Then there is a second question. Next one. Choose any 5 suitable common nouns and invent interesting names for them. For example, a river, river Speedy. A magazine for children, Mitra, friend. A building, Act Tower. Like on this we have to find out common nouns but their interesting names. See, a hotel, Pet Puja, stomach, we call it maybe bread basket, tall man, tower. Also a crazy book, slippery road, fashion street, twin towers. Okay, I think you got it. Then there is 2 minutes of oral work. Here give as many examples of following as possible within 2 minutes. This activity also we have to done. Animals, name of animals. We are going to tell the like lion, tiger, elephant, like on this. Birds, sparrow. Then vegetables, name lady's finger. Then bitter gourd, like on this. Body parts, legs, hands, nose, eyes. Musical instruments, tabla, violin, guitar, like one this. Okay. Here we completed English workshop. But also there are some questions, other questions from this story. We see now these questions. Here are some questions. Listen and answer. Page number here 12. Why did Akulka want to strike Malasha? Akulka wanted to strike Malasha because Malasha stamped her foot into the water and spoiled her new dress. Second question. Why did Malasha run home? Malasha ran home because Akulka ran after her to strike her, spoiling Akulka's dress. Then list all the words that refer to speaking in the story. Example is given there. Said, scold, scolded, replied. Other words, crying, to talk, shouted, exchanged words, speak. There is also other questions. Listen and answer. Guess the meaning of one word brought back another. Means words were exchanged and they had arguments. In what sense are the words used here? Crying. Crying here used shouting loudly. Holiday means vacation. Knocked her off her feet. Made her fall to the ground. Then see, listen and answer. Did the people stop fighting? No, they don't. What did Akulka do? Akulka wiped her dress and went to the puddle and began to scratch the ground with a pebble. What did Malasha do? Malasha joined to Akulka and helped her. Yes. What was the old woman trying to do? Old woman trying to stop the quarrel or fighting. Then next questions, listen and answer. Did the girls forget their quarrels? Yes, they forget their quarrels. How can we say that? The two girls were running and laughing together at the ship wobbling up and down the reel. Okay. Why did the men feel ashamed? They saw that girls forgot their quarrel and they are playing, and these men were fighting on. So they felt ashamed. Yes, these are the questions, other questions from the story, and we completed here English workshop. Thank you.